the Circle 5, EAM for Factory. The EAM for Factory system is a type of software used to manage company assets dedicated to the maintenance department. EAM for Factory improves the optimization of the production process thanks to preventive and predictive actions, facilitating the reduction of the duration of any production breaks resulting from unplanned machine downtime. Due to the complexity of the system, EAM for Factory has been divided into modules that group functionalities, and in addition, we recommend using the proprietary DSR tool IoT for Factory, which is used to collect data directly from production units in real time. The most common benefits for users: support for reporting failures, maintenance planning, support for inventory management, management of equipment, parts and consumables, easier control and maintenance of preventive work, orderly registry of machines, parts, tools and other production resources, the full identification of maintenance work, better efficiency and effectiveness of production resource management, built-in reports for data analysis, cyclical and easy software updates. To learn more about EAM for Factory, contact us.